In this video, I'll show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now select the photo you want to hide. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu, tap on Archive. And just like that, the photo will disappear from your profile. Don't worry, it's not deleted, it's saved in your archive. To view it again, go back to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right. Now tap on Archive. Select the photo you want to restore. Tap the three dots again and choose Show on Profile. And that's it. That's how you can hide and unhide photos on Instagram. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.